everyone, welcome to the Interior channel. In this short video we'd like to talk about the upcoming Lexus TX, the new 3-row 8-seater 2024 model year SUV, which is expected to be revealed this year after Toyota presents the new Grand Highlander on the same TNGA-K platform as Lexus TX. The all-new TX model will replace the long 3-row Lexus RX L model, which is not expected with the current generation, but it could take the interior design from the smaller SUV. Just the cabin must be a little bit wider, and Lexus could change a few design elements and add new materials. The main difference will be a longer wheelbase, which would allow to add the third row and place taller passengers on the second row. While we are all waiting for the official presentation, let's review our last illustrations of the exterior and interior design. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.